Hey, what's up, YouTube family? It's DJ Consequence back with another video. Today I'm going to do a quick review and recap of the new locks I installed on my DJ trailer. Security is everything when you're hauling valuable gear, so let's talk about what I upgraded to and why. So before this, I was using standard master locks. They were decent, but honestly, if someone really wanted to break in, it wouldn't take much effort. And as a DJ, my equipment is my business, so upgrading security was a must, especially on this trip to Florida, right? And this is actually us just coming back from Florida and unloading the trailer. The proven lock pucks, these are heavy duty, designed for trailers, way more secure than your traditional padlocks. What really makes the difference is the tamper resistant design, the keyed alike option. So if you have multiple locks, you can get them keyed alike, so you don't have to juggle a bunch of different keys, which I already have a bunch of keys. And then also weather resistant. Now, securing the trailer doors is one thing, but what about the hitch? Because if someone really wants to steal the whole trailer, they'll just hook it up to another vehicle and drive off. That's why I also added the proven lock hitch lock for extra protection. So that also has a heavy duty build, universal fit, and prevents unauthorized hookups. So far, I'm really impressed. The locks feel solid, and just having that extra layer of security gives me peace of mind when my trailer is parked somewhere, especially at our storage facility. At the end of the day, no lock is 100% theft proof, but you want to make it as difficult as possible for someone to break in or steal the whole thing. And yeah, so as you can see, very simple to lock up the trailer. Appreciate you checking out this video as you got to see behind the scenes look into how we maintain our trailer. We'll end the video with a quick time lapse of us throwing the cover on the trailer, which of course protects our wrap around the trailer during the winter and summer months. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and until next time, peace.